Hi guys, in today's video we are going to see how to add the multiple languages in Microsoft Copilot. So as we know that we have created the chatbot in all English flows, right? Now what we want to do is add or enable, what do you say, multiple languages, right? So what you have to do is go to the settings and go to the languages, okay? So over here by default English is there, and if you want to add languages, and you can see here I think around 26 languages are there, right? And you can enable any of these languages. So if I click over here for my Hindi, right? What it will do is it will enable the capabilities to recognize, right? And along with that, what it will do is something called you can upload the JSON files. So what it gives you is a JSON or RESX, right, file where it has all the prompts and the training phrases and the responses that you have, right, in English, right? So once you click over here, you get a file something like, so let me put it like one. I have already downloaded and modified it for Hindi, but I will show you what it exactly it is. So once you download it, right, what you will get over here, what was the name? Yeah, this one. So right click, edit. So what we are seeing over here is this is a display name, everything what we have over there in English side, right? It you will see over here in English, right? What you have to do is modify this in Hindi. Okay, so what I have done is already downloaded that one and modified it. So if you see over here now, my greetings are like this, and I have modified the call flow for flight status that we have developed, right? So if I scroll down to below, you will see that I have updated the intents, or what do you say, the intent training topic matching phases. So if I come down over here, what is the line number? 159. So if I come down to the line number 159 over here, so you will see over here, these are the things that we have added in the topics. So if I go back to my UI, close this one, go to the topics and go to my, what was that, flight status, right? And if you see over here, the phrases, right, flight status, how to check the flight status. So this is a like a matching intent where it will trigger this topic, right? So those we have over here. What I have done is I have converted them into Hindi, right, using Google UI translation, right? And also what I have done is whatever the message is going to come after that, I think it is somewhere over here. I think I forgot. Yeah, the messages that we are getting back, like please provide the flight number and that thing, right? So that I have modified. So what I will do is I will go back over here, go back to my languages and click on upload. Once the file is modified according to your language, right, just click over here and select the localization and it will upload. So what it will do, it update, or first of all it will create one language, right? Yeah, so that you can select either English or Hindi from the drop down. And also what it will do is it will provide the topics with the localized version. So let's test it out. Right now we have English, so let me just modify, refresh. Okay, I think I have to refresh the page. Meanwhile, what I will do is I will just copy from here. This is nothing but flight status. If I write like English to Hindi, check my flight status. So let click over here. Why we are not getting? Oh, sorry, it is over here. So click on three dots. It will say languages, and once you select Hindi, Now you will start getting the messages in Hindi. I copy this one and let's paste it over here. Hopefully it should trigger the flight status topic. No, sorry. I think I have not given. Check my, oh, what is this? Flight status. My mistake. So let's try again. Let me give, now it should trigger. Yeah. So now if you see over here, कृपया अपनी उड़ान संख्या प्रदान करें means it's asking me to provide the flight number. So let me give this one, which has already been arrived. Let me remove the space. And now it should give me the flight status that we are looking. Okay, so we got the flight status. It is all in English. I have not modified, but you will see that the prompts, which are the next prompts are there, are coming in English. The prompt that you are seeing is coming from the adaptive card. I have not modified that one. So yeah, this is how you can add languages. You can add more languages over here. You can select again any of this language and just upload that file, what localization file. One thing to note over here is the generative AI capabilities that we have added, right? The document which we uploaded, the FAQ one, right? COVID-19, something like that. Uh, क्या मैं और चीज में ओ हाँ okay, COVID-19. If I give, so it will pull the information from generative AI, right, from here. But this does not support your localization. So it is only in English which is supported. So that is one thing I wanted to inform before I wrap up this video. Hopefully you like the video. Give a like, thumbs up so that the YouTube algorithm knows it about it. And have a nice day.